audience, this is non-fiction. So excuse if the content is offensive, it's official. Now that we have been acquainted, this is my pleasure, my pain. You were entertained.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is NONPFIXION, and this is Ready, Set, Geek. Let's get into a brand new reaction for the Hunger Games, the Ballad of the Songbirds, and Snakes. This is the official trailer. Whew, that was a lot. That's a long ass title. But let's get into this reaction real quick. Let me pull it up.
I am honored to introduce to you the creator of the Hunger Games themselves.
I see you.
Dean Casca Highbottom.
I like him. He's such a good actor. So talented.
I have summoned you all here for the 10th annual reaping ceremony, in which we choose 2 children from each district to fight to the death in the Hunger Games.
From District 12, Lucy Gray Baird.
There has been a change this year.
Tributes.
As a mentor, Mr. Snow, your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
What does my mentor do besides bring me roses?
I do my best to take care of you.
You really want to take care of me in that arena? Start by thinking I can actually win.
I'm Lucky Flickerman, first ever host of the Hunger Games.
Okay, so got some familiarity.
3, 2,
Enjoy the show.
run.
Enjoy the show.
What happens in there, fueled with the terror of becoming prey. See how quickly we become predator? See how quickly civilization disappears?
There's a natural goodness built into us all. We can
True, it
step
is,
across
it
that
is.
line into evil,
Yeah.
or not.
You hear that, boy? It's the sound of snow falling.
How wonderful that we all get to be here for someone's final performance.
It's not just about winning.
It's such a sadistic thing to say, to be honest.
You monsters! All of you! It's the things we love most that destroy us.
November 17th, okay. You can text 717-THD to hold on. Let's cancel this. Okay, says, does anybody want to enter the games? I'm just, just curious. If you want to enter the games, there's it is right there. Text 717-THG-MKJY to enter the games. I'm curious to see what this really does. If anybody tries it, please let me know down below if it allowed you to enter the games, or was it just a voicemail saying, hey, thank you for entering the games. Thank you for entering the Hunger Games. Now, let's get into this trailer a little bit. It's weird because the initial vibes from the first series that we got, the first movies, it definitely feels different. It feels different. I don't know. It's maybe because I know it's not the same people, but I never read the books, so that could be part of the reason why I'm not like emotionally connected to the story. But the first movies, I really enjoyed them for the most part. There's bits and pieces that I felt was like kind of okay as far as storytelling, but it was still entertaining nonetheless. This one, I need to get more understanding of what's really happening. So let's see if it says anything. It just says in theaters November 17th, starring Tom Blyth, Rachel Zegler, Peter Dinklage, Hunter Schafer, Josh Andrés, Jason Schwartzman. I believe wasn't he in the first one? It's been so long. And Viola Davis, of course, the headliner. But okay, this one says the Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes follows a young Tom Blyth, who is the last hope for his failing lineage, The once proud Snow family has fallen from grace in the post-war capital. With his livelihood threatened, Snow is reluctantly assigned to mentor Lucy Gray Baird, Rachel Zegler, a tribute from the impoverished District 12. It's always District 12, isn't it? But after Lucy Gray's charm captivates the audience of Panem, Snow sees an opportunity to shift their fates. With everything he has worked for hanging in the balance, Snow unites with Lucy Gray to turn the odds in their favor. Battling his instincts for both good and evil, Snow gets out on a race against time to survive and reveal if he will ultimately become a songbird or a snake. Interesting. So from this, Rachel is a big part of the story, but it's more so about Tom Blyth's character. The young Coriolanus. I know I don't remember a lot of these names, so it's like trying to remember and how they're pronounced. Yeah, that's just out the window. So we're just gonna say Tom Blyth. I'm gonna say Tom Blyth. But it feels like it's more about the Snow family than anything. Like I said, I had never read the books. I just saw the movies, thought they were interesting. I do know that there was, from the first series, the first Hunger Games that came out, the ending in the first movie was very different than the ending in the actual book. I do know that. I know there was definitely some changes, which makes everything more interesting in the long run, I guess you could say, for the movie purpose, for the script. And I believe from movie 1 to movie 2, the reason why they did that is because the main star would have actually died in the first one, but she tested so well that they wanted to take her on to the next. So I'm curious, if you are a reader, aficionado of this series, of these books, please let me know down below. What is your thoughts about this trailer? You know what I'm saying? Did you like the trailer? Did you feel like the trailer is still grasping the lore of the story? Or is it just kind of too far off and it's just a movie now? It has nothing to do with the Hunger Games anymore. Because like I said, as for me, it's always been just a movie. But I know there is a lore behind it, like, Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter. I know there's a big lore behind those stories because they were books first. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. My name is NONPFIXION. And let me know how you feel about the new intro. I'm trying to cut it up some to make it shorter. I think I'm gonna take out some things just so I can just have the music slightly playing and I'll pop in and start talking. But I appreciate you. Thank you for pressing play. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, evening, morning, noon, wherever you are in the world today. My name is NONPFIXION. This is Ready Say Geek. Appreciate you. Love you. See you in the next one. Peace out. Interesting trailer. Very interesting trailer.